Sink you in love.
What?
Are you kidding me? Gods must be punishing me. Can't see, you're a drunk in bed.
Wow, I slept well last night. What about you? You look like a deranged lover. What happened to you?
I think I just might be. You know why? Because you snore! It feels like I'm sleeping in a farm with a tractor!
I beg your pardon?
Too late for that.
Too late for that? How can you accuse me of something like this? I don't snore!
I can prove it to you, okay?
You can prove it to me.
Oh yeah?
So how will you do that?
I haven't thought this through, but I can.
Okay, then just do it.
I will.
Really?
I will.
Really?
Yeah. This is how I'm going to prove it to you, alright? Ah. Yeah.
Whatever.
Wait, I'm rewinding this.
You're such a fool.
Why aren't you snoring in this?
Because I don't.
But you did the other night.
Did you have a bad dream again?
Shut up, Z. I'm pretty sure you did snore, okay? Just, what? You did snore, just give me the...
No, I didn't. Shut up. Oh, I really hate it when you have a night shift.
Aw, means you still love me.
This is not what I meant to say. I'm just saying that I really don't like it when you arrive in the morning and I have to tell the other guy to sneak out before you do.
Ha ha ha, very funny.
You're such an easy target.
Oh man, this is weird. Why isn't the pant fitting?
Yeah, maybe you have put on some weight. You did feel heavy last afternoon.
What? Are you serious? This can't be good. Oh, this could be bad. Very bad.
It's even worse than the other day when you accidentally wore my gym pants.
Z,
Remember?
let's not do this, okay? My whole flight reputation is depending on my Greek looks and chiseled body. Gosh! No. What's the matter, Z?
I feel like I'm gaining weight and my belly is really sticking out now.
Oh, it's okay. You can wear my stretchy pants.
Stretchy pants?
Ow! Loser. Check this out.
I'm actually okay. My belly's okay. My dad's not.
Yeah, dream
I'm
on.
still hot.